How to sync Android Calendar with your Google Calendar. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you through the process for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So it is pretty easy. You need to access your device's settings for that. So go ahead and tap on settings and open up your Android settings. From there, you may just go over, scroll down, and go to the section for accounts and backup right above the Google services. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can look out for the option of managing accounts and tap on it. After you tap on it here, you will be finding all of your accounts available. You need to select up the email ID or Gmail with whom your Google Calendar is associated with. Or you can look out for add account option and go ahead and add it up. So I'm just going to use this account right here. And once you use this account, what you can do is basically look out for the option of sync account and tap on it. And once you tap on it, ensure that this option right here called Google Calendar is turned on. If this is not, you can just go ahead and enable this option right here. And when you do, it should start syncing. And whenever you go ahead and open up your Google Calendar application here, you will be finding the sync available on your Google Calendar workspace. So that is it, everybody. You may follow this process for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.